Society, there's people who sell drugs to put food on the table, to put smiles on people's faces.
Let's see that picture. Yes, sir. Yaza.
In my society, I want to see my son win. Never want to see him lose. Keep him away from gun violence.
That's a very good one.
In my society, there's too many funerals and janazas than scholars and valedictorians.
See that picture? She was putting so much work into this picture.
In my society, we be out looking for love, but them cold rainy nights.
Yeah.
That's
Cold, rainy nights, and you already know what I'm saying. Yes, sir. Big Reef. Who's next? Where you guys? Sincere. Sincere. Hold on, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna keep going. I'm coming back, Sincere. Well, we got Mickey. Leah. Oh.
If there's no talent in the ghetto, so be it.
Her poem's so much longer than that and more deeper, but we gonna go with that line right there. Look, the stickers. She got the rose growing up. We need hope. Thank you, Leah. Saw it. What you got? You want me to keep going, or you want me to come back? Yeah, you ready? I know you ready. You always ready.
In my society, young girls are thrown into motherhood but have no mother and wonder why they aren't good.
Ooh, I like that. Let's go, sir.
Come on, dude.
I like if that. When you finish that, that's gonna be dope. I like that. It's done. Well, all right. Well, let's hear it.
Not done.
Come on, Nate.
He got it.
Read that
That's the letter I wrote.
Period, sister. Period.
I ain't forget y'all on them letters. I'm gonna leave whichever ones I didn't get out. I'm gonna leave them here. Okay, go ahead. Hold on, let me come to the front.
Period, sister.
I said, in my society, people have false hope and evil futures, and it gets us prison, death, or a suture.
See that? It look like the city block. Okay, in my society.
In my society, our judgments are normally clouded, but when it comes to issues, people don't want to talk about it.
Head in the clouds. Head in the clouds. All right, Sincere, where you at? Yep. All right, here I come. I'm coming to you. Oh boy, he put the work in on his.
In my society, I struggle to change. People was crying. I told my city, and we started crying. Locked in with her. Oh my God.
It's all right. Take your time.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna just reread it. In my society, I struggle to change. People was dying. I told my city, then we started crying. I locked in with this girl and
started lying.
Yep.
Hey, thank you.
The picture that represents girl just being on her own.
Mm-hmm. On her own?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it be like that. So we all be on our own sometimes.
You know why I said we gonna draw the picture with a girl looking out the window.
You did perfect.
So
It's
all I gotta do
illustrated.
is just color it in, then I'm good.
Yes, sir. And it's plastic there.
JJ.
JJ.
In my society, life is on a point and break. With every step forward, it's harder to take.
Let's see what you got.
And I'm about to explain it.
Okay. I like that.
Alright, the kids, from we start off young,
Mm-hmm.
and as we get older, we go through different difficulties and challenges.
Mm-hmm.
And our hearts start to break slowly and slowly as we get older.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes you gotta have that arrow and make sure you hit the right spot. So
To keep it together?
You gotta keep it together.
Oh, the symbolism.
You gotta have something to hold it.
I like that. Thank you for sharing that. We got two more over here. What's up? You got yours? You don't got yours? It's all right. Let me at least hear your line, bro. That's cool, bro. It's all right if you don't got the picture. What happened?
I know his line.
What is it? Say it. It don't
I
matter.
messed up my line.
Just say it.
I said only the strong stay alive. Only the strong survive and the weak doesn't.
That's true. That's true. That's how it work out here. You either you eat or you get ate. I like this. No, this is abstract right here.
I don't got time for this.
Let me get this in before y'all can finish. We only got a few minutes. Let me say. Say your line.
See my line?
Yeah. And let me see that picture, cause that joint dope.
I ain't done a picture yet.
I know, ain't nobody done.
Everybody did.
It looks great.
Oh, hold it up and you read the line.
I ain't done a picture though.
It's okay.
It's alright. This is the process.
It's our last
If you don't
day.
want to, you don't got to though. I just want to see the picture.
He's almost there.
How about you read?
Alright, I'll read it. Oh, this
Alright.
Miss Davis.
It's basically like the same thing as yours at the bottom though.
This ain't mine though, cause I'm not good at art like this.
Me
In
neither.
my society, you say you're not good, but look at this. In my society, it's. Hold on, what's this one? It's
I got foot. I messed up. Let me see.
Let me see. Oh no, just tell me what it says.
And it's all written down here too.
Oh, you wrote it?
Or is that yours?
That's mine.
Oh, never
Let me see this
mind.
one, sir.
Yeah, you gotta read your work, bro.
Yeah, I can't read your
Go
handwriting.
ahead.
It's because the pen I messed up.
Just no, when you done, you didn't mess up. You just got black. Put that in black marker on
That's
it.
good. That's good. In my society, it's take your time. Take your
It's
time.
alright.
Take your time.
The picture
All right,
speaks
wait,
1,000
I got it,
words.
I got it.
You got it?
My society isn't safe. 2 running streets. There's thieves, robbers, underachieve, and money is the only thing people's eyes are filled with. And money and greed and coke.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm gonna redo that though.
You want to redo it? Well, you want to re-say it?
You got a picture. I'm
I'll highlight it? Yeah, just highlight it with black marker. All right.